Alright, welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be running you guys through the process of downloading Visual Studio Code. So first of all, what is Visual Studio Code? It is an IDE developed by Microsoft. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So IDEs, you can use them to code. Mainly, they are mainly for coding, as the name implies, development environment, so for programming. And VS Code is arguably the best. It's very few people that will argue with you, and don't argue with them. But it's arguably the best, and it is very, very nice because it supports different programming languages, and it also comes with, you can also download different extensions to make life easier for you. So how are we going to download it? So you can just go to whatever browser you're using, Chrome, Edge, whatever browser you're using, and search for Visual Studio Code. So VS Code stands for Visual Studio Code. So when you search it, it's usually the first link that is going to pop up. I am going to, okay, that is an ad. So it's usually the first link that is going to pop up. Well, I am going to send the link. I'm going to put the link in the description in case you're not able to locate it. So if you're using Windows, you just click on download for Windows. But if you're not using Windows, you can just click on here. You can see other platforms and Insiders Edition. So once you click on it, you can download for Mac if you're using Mac OS, for Windows if you're using Windows, and for Linux if you're using Linux. And I advise you to download the stable version. So don't click on this one, click on the stable version. So you can just click on here, or you can just click on download for Windows. So it's going to take you to a new page, and the download is supposed to start automatically. But if it does not start automatically, okay, it's going to start automatically. I already have it, so I'm going to cancel the download because I already have it on my system. So this is 90.4 MB. So if you have a good network, it should not take you so much time to download. So by default, Windows, everything that you download on Windows goes to your download in your file explorer, the download folder. So the setting up is pretty basic. Just double tap on it or just open it. You can double tap on it or right click on it and press open. Then click on I accept the agreements. Click on next. You need at least 353.5 MB of free disk space, meaning if you don't have 353.5 MB of free disk space, you might not be, definitely you will not be able to install it. So click on next when you have made sure you have. Then don't create a start menu folder. You can just click on this one, then click on next if you like to select a different folder. Okay, just click on next. Don't click on this thing, just click on next. Then create a desktop icon, so that there'll be a desktop icon. There'll be an icon of the Visual Studio Code on your desktop. Click on open with code and click on open with code. I'll show you guys the importance of doing this. So you click on install. So the installation is going to really is just very straightforward. It's not going to waste your time, so let's just wait for it a bit. Alright, so the installation is complete, and you can click on finish. If you don't want to launch it when you open it, you just uncheck this, but I want to launch it, so you just click on finish and it is going to launch. And when you click on it, this is what you should see. So I'll just cancel this one. I had already opened the file yesterday, so you should see something like this. You should see something like this or something close to this. Well, basically, if you want to start coding, you just click on file. When you click on file, you click on open folder. Then you should be able to open folder. I advise you to open the folder in your desktop. So you can just click on a new folder. If this is your first time, then just say my code. Anything, can be any name. Then just click on select folder. So you are going to there's a box that is going to pop up. So you just click on trust Okay, no, just click on yes, I trust the authors, so that you have to be doing it anytime you create a folder. Then if you want to create a file, click on new file, then you can say index.html. then when you click enter, you can start coding. So one thing I wanted to show you guys, this is what we created. So you can just go to Visual, instead of you going to Visual Studio Code and doing open folder every time, you can just right click on this folder and open with code. So this was what we checked during the installation, so you can just do it directly from here. So this is how to install Visual Studio Code and start coding. Thank you.